So, not the normal setting you're used to seeing me in, for sure. I'm sat up at my pergola in my garden, which is where I spend my mornings, have a cup of tea, think about the day, think about business, think about the markets, think about my plans, etc. And today I was thinking something and thought I'd get on camera, not my usual 4K camera setup, highly polished, high quality cameras that I've been shooting on this channel for the last couple of years, but instead just get my iPhone out and just talk about something that's been on my mind. I've been running this channel for 2 years, year and a half, 2 years, spent so much effort and energy on it. It was my full-time occupation outside of trading. Sunk about 6 figures on the channel as well, and I thought that there would be a good demand. For me, it was a good investment, right? It seemed like a very smart, sensible investment to leverage my many years in the trading space and the markets, the knowledge that I've accrued, the real blood, sweat and tears, the real skin in the game, which I found out as I've walked down the path year after year is an incredibly rare thing, apparently. What tends to happen is when people build up channels or influence, they give up on trading. It becomes largely a grifter's game. If you type trading into YouTube and just see what's there, it's a sea of charlatans, to be completely honest, who are just milking and taking exploitation, basically. They're exploiting those who are less fortunate, none the wiser, desperate to attain financial freedom. And I think what I've started to realize is that I'm swimming upstream, because I feel like I'm one of the only honest blokes out there trying to make an honest channel, basically, in the trading space. And unfortunately, people don't flock to that, right? People flock to the people saying that they've made millions in a day or made millions in a week. And that's just a lie. It's just a complete lie, but people seem to want to believe those lies. And I think I've started to realize that I've been operating in really one of the darkest areas of humanity. It sounds dramatic, but it's kind of not at all, because you really are exploiting those that are desperate, vulnerable, desperate to make a living, desperate to attain financial freedom. And, basically peddling them these courses, groups, whatever it is, signals at the worst of times, and having them lose out even more. And it's a horrible, horrible reality. It's something that I've struggled with over time, in that the way that YouTube operates is it pushes you towards that sort of vibe completely. I found myself starting to do it with the thumbnails, because I was in the game to help and educate, for sure, but I also wanted to build a side business out of this. I have no shame in saying that at all. And I wanted to win as well. I wanted to grow a big account. I wanted to stand out in the sea of charlatans and actually provide some fucking value to people, and help them do what I've done. But it seems that it's impossible. As I said, I'm fighting a losing battle, swimming upstream with all these Photoshop P&L cards all over the gaff. And it's just something which through data analytics, trying to grow the YouTube, you get forced down this rabbit hole of, okay, well, that thumbnail's performing better than the rest. What have I done there? I've been a bit more emotional, so it pushes you towards that classic shocked face emoji sort of thumbnail. And then if you're putting, big monetary figures everywhere, I made this amount, I made that amount, that's going to obviously perform better as well. And, putting so much time and effort into a craft and a channel where I'm seeing essentially nothing back for it has been seriously tough. But on the flip side, I basically haven't posted for 4 to 5 weeks, right? I haven't posted maybe even 6 now at this point, because I became completely disenchanted with it after this realization. It's a slow realization, but after realizing it, I was like, what's the fucking point? Putting all this time and effort into this, real time and effort committed to growing the channel, when I'm not crying, by the way, it's just very windy. I've just woken up here in the Algarve. Yeah, it's just been tough, guys. I can't lie. I've been at ends as what to do with the channel. Obviously, spending time on highly polished videos and editing and all that sort of stuff to try and basically produce the highest quality content I can to ultimately, hopefully, compete with those that are of no moral standard, etc. Trying to grab people in the first 30 seconds, right? Trying to make that first 30 seconds an appealing hook, and then trying to say, watch till the end of the video, and all of these different cues and tricks and triggers to hopefully grow my channel without compromising my moral standard. But it hasn't worked at all, right? It's been months and months and months on end of trying to do that, to no avail. So my new direction for the channel, to be completely frank with you guys, I was thinking about giving up, right? I mean, the last few weeks I'd kind of checked out, to be real. I had checked out of this whole channel entirely. I've got a wife, I've got a kid, I've got other business ventures I need to spend my time on, and it just seemed like this was a failed venture, to be completely honest, unless I was willing to compromise my moral standards, and start joining the band of charlatans that are parading around these fake P&L cards, etc., which is not something I'm willing to do at all. Money isn't everything to me. I want to live my life the right way. That's something which is super important to me. I want to help others in my life. That's something that's within my character, and not something that I'll ever break free from, nor do I want to. And it just seemed like, although I thought this was the avenue to do so, maybe it's not. That being said, just having my tea here today, just thinking about things, it feels a massive shame to let them win as well. And I know that I do have some loyal subs, or I hope I have some loyal subs anyway, that do care about this channel, my swing trading style, the concepts that I've taught, the psychology side of things, the whole host and myriad of education that I've put together, laboured over, and had hoped that you guys can see that I'm one of the real ones. I know that you guys have invested a lot of effort into, my style and approach to the markets. I don't want to let you guys down. I really don't. That's something that weighs on me. B, hopefully would like to attract more people to the platform one day. But I need to do it in a way which is manageable, right? As I said, I've got a 16-month-old baby girl who I want to spend more and more time with. And when I was running up the channel and spending all my time on that, I was spending less time with her, which is not ideal, not how I want to be living my life, to be honest. I've got other business ventures that I need to focus on as well. And I've got a lot on basically, so I can't go full on with it and do a video a week or every 2 weeks and give you that sort of highly polished, highly edited, highly animated end result that I was going for before. But what I will do is once every 2 to 3 weeks, maybe once every 1 to 3 weeks in very busy periods, just do a short market scan recording of either the crypto markets, the stock markets, or both. Talk through my technical approach, my stance, how I'm playing the markets. I was previously doing this in live streams, and even the live streams were a bit tough as well, because having a kid and not having any sleep, and you have to schedule a live stream, right? And I want to do them fresh after some caffeine, so I will schedule them for the next morning. And yeah, sometimes I don't sleep, so it's hard to commit to the lives as well. Also, for some reason, my software just keeps fucking bugging out. It seems like a sign. It's literally been a joke at this point. Anyone that's watched my streams know how many times I've cut off, or audio hasn't worked, or whatever it is. So it seems like this is the best format, right? Whenever I can, whenever I have time to do so, I'll hop on, just do a quick 20-minute market review, go through my stance on the markets, analyze the markets, as I love to do, ultimately, and hopefully provide some value for you guys as well. But yeah, just wanted to hop on and be as candid as possible about everything, be as transparent as possible about everything, which I think is something which is very rare in this space these days. Hopefully it's appreciated. At least it's me airing my thoughts at the bare minimum. And I hope we can keep the channel going. I hope you guys still follow me. I hope that I can provide some value and help some of you out there achieve your goals in the markets and in trading as well. And yeah, wish all the best for all of you. Alright, so like I say, a very different video. I hope it's appreciated. And the first market scan, market review, I'll probably do next week at some point, early next week. Alright, big love. And stay safe out there. Catch you next week.